Have you ever heard of a miracle plant that can relieve pain, swelling, and inflammation? It sounds like a dream come true, right? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what this miracle plant is and how you can use it to start feeling better. Can you guess which one it is? It's the castor plant. Often overlooked in the world of botanicals, the castor plant has been hiding its extraordinary benefits right under our noses. This plant is not just another pretty face in the garden, but a powerhouse of healing properties. It's time we shed some light on this hero of the plant kingdom. Let me ask you something. Have you ever dealt with persistent pain that just wouldn't go away? Well, let's talk about how the castor plant could be your natural solution. The oil extracted from its seeds, known as castor oil, has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for pain relief. Just a few drops massaged into the skin can work wonders. But that's not all, folks. While many plants have anti-inflammatory properties, the castor plant stands out from the crowd. It's packed with ricinoleic acid, a rare compound that has potent anti-inflammatory effects. So next time you're dealing with an inflammation issue, why not give castor oil a try? Swelling, it's an issue we've all faced at one point or another. But did you know that the castor plant could be your secret weapon against it? That's right. With its extraordinary anti-inflammatory properties, it can help reduce swelling and bring you much-needed relief. But how do you use this miracle plant? Here are 3 simple ways. Topical application. Apply castor oil directly to the affected area for pain relief and reduced swelling. Castor oil packs. Soak a piece of cloth in castor oil, place it on the affected area, and cover with a heating pad for enhanced benefits. Ingestion. Though less common, some people take castor oil orally. Always consult a healthcare professional before doing this. So, friends, forget about fussing over expensive and complicated treatments. Say goodbye to pain, inflammation, and swelling with a fantastic, formidable, and fairly accessible castor plant. It's time we all start recognizing and utilizing the immense power of nature at our fingertips. Remember, as with any natural remedy, always consult a healthcare professional before trying something new. Thanks for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until next time, stay healthy and keep exploring the wonders of the plant world.